The fifth term for today is Pareto principle. Pareto principle. First of all, let me take it as a, also it is very commonly known as 80-20 principle or 80-20 rule. What is that? On the basis of research, the Pareto come to this conclusion that in the normal situation, that approximately 20% of the item account for 80% of the efforts, or the 20% of the individual or the employees are working 80% of the tasks in the organization. And reverse is also true, means 80% of the people are responsible for 20% of the tasks. Also there will be a 20 products. Suppose a company has the 100 product, or 20 products are responsible for 80% of the revenue generation of the company, and rest 80% or 80 products are only revenue generated for the 20%. It doesn't mean the 80% are not good. They may be the future top generator, but this is common principle. If we will go further, it is also saying that it is it is the observation, but it is not the law. It is not like that everywhere it is true, but it is the observation in many places. Also we can observe these things in our world of business, in our world of organization where we are working, that most things in life are not distributed evenly. Like if you can see some example, 20% of the input creates 80% of the result, 20% of the worker produce 80% of the result, and again 80% of the worker is responsible for 20% of the result. 20% of the consumer create 80% of the revenue, means more customers. It may be the business customer, it may be the high end customer, it may be those customers who are buying the costly products or most profitable products. 20% of the bucks cause 80% of the crashes, and 20% of the features cause 80% of the uses. Why this principle is important like that one? We have to be, being a manager, being a leader, we have to be observed, we have to be find out who are our 20% employee who is producing or who is responsible for 80% of the job or 80% of the work. What are the 20% of our products who are the creamy products or who are the most profitable products? So because of these observation, because of this research, a company has to be find out their 20% key players, 20% key products, and 20% key features, even 20% key customers. So they have to be made according to that. It doesn't mean 80% are not good. They may be the future 20%. So we have to be work on them. We have to be focused on them in a different way of that. So this is the principle of, or this is the Pareto principle. So I hope this one is also clear to everyone.